My name is Sarita Mishra and I'm the author of the book Sambalpuri Ikkats, the Masterpiece. This book is the journey about the world-renowned Sambalpuri fabric, which is not only unparalleled but unmatched. Why? Because it's a handloom wonder. It starts from the cocoon stage, right from yarn to tying of the yarn, dyeing of the yarn. It's a tie and dye work done in the cottage industry in handloom. So each piece of fabric, it undergoes several stages and phases, and sometimes depending on the iconic motifs or the mathematical precision of the designs, a fabric may take as long as say 15 days to 6 months to weave, because it's a very arduous process. There are several stages. One notable feature of the Ikkat weave is that its designs are reflected on both the sides with equal clarity. It's highly vibrant and innovative, and it's the high in comfort factor, very ethnic, very stylish. The glamour quotient and the style quotient is very high. The whole purpose of bringing this to the fore or the national international forum is to give an idea how a fabric of this type gets done by the weavers who are countless, and the various processes that are used, the motifs that are used, the themes that are used, the patterns, the color combinations, the designs, everything has been codified. Plus the various symbols that are used, everything has a spiritual significance. Shankh, Chakra, Gada, Padma, Machli, Rudraksh, these are the things used. Temple motif. So the choice of color, the choice of the process by which it gets done, the whole thing is portrayed in the book. The most rewarding part is getting the feedback from the actual workers, and then taking a video, because they used to speak in the local language, and then translating it and putting it in a book form, because they are the narratives that they told. It was very soul stirring, very very much specific to the particular trade. So they only narrated कि पहले कैसे कलर करते थे, आर्टिफिशियल कलर्स नहीं थे, तो वेजिटेबल डाइज होता था, तो कहाँ से वेजिटेबल डाई कलेक्ट करते थे, किस टाइप का फूल का, पत्ते का, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, दे यूज्ड टू डू द कलरिंग. नाउ दे हैव रिसॉर्टेड टू केमिकल डाइज बिकॉज देयर इज अ market need. Various other things are there. That was one story. Second, the implements that are used, they're numerous. I had to take it from several crafts museum. The crafts museum of Orissa houses these pre-weaving materials and techniques. तो ये सारे cocoons और ये सारे shuttle, वो bobbin, वो कैसे करते थे yarn के loom के ऊपर, उसका पिक्चराइजेशन करके उसको किताब के फॉर्म में डालना, उसको फिर वर्णना करना, फिर उसको बताना, प्रोसीजर बताना. So that was a very challenging thing which I did. I believe that this award is a tribute to the artisans and to the weavers, because they don't have a mouthpiece, they do not have the wherewithals or the to tell about the story. So it's a tribute to them, to several craftsmen who every year Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and Padma Shris, Sant Kabir awards are taken by these weavers because of their outstanding designs, creativity and innovation. I feel very nice, and I really feel ki this hard work of mine has got recognition and visibility. More important, the craft itself has been relived. The craft. I think the readers see, the more we transmit the message to the outside community, the more they'll know about it. So it depends on the outreach. हम कितने लोगों को पहुंच पाएंगे. So if the social media handles can be activated in this forum, I'm sure a lot of people will take the interest and initiative, and they'll come forward. Because as it is, people know what Ikkat is. They're highly enamored by that. As I told you, the style and the glamour quotient of the fabric is very high. So dress designers delight bola jata hai. I'm sure the readers will come in more numbers, and there'll be a room for more celebration. Thank you so much.